Do you sometimes find it difficult to process your feelings and express your emotions in a mature way? Do you sometimes get caught up between suppression and expression of emotions? Do you sometimes experience bottled up emotions that eventually come out as emotional outbursts? Probably, self awareness is one important tool that can help you mitigate such outbursts and lead an emotionally healthy, joyful, and cheerful life. What can happen with suppressed emotions? Let us study with the help of an example from the epic history of Mahabharata. Gandhari and Dhritarashtra, the king and queen of Hastinapur, the capital city of India 5000 years ago. After the war of Kurukshetra, both of them have lost 100 sons. And this had really led them to devastation internally. But not expressing their negativity and wanting to maintain a goody self image, they have let their emotions pent up in their heart, not expressing them. This was causing serious internal emotional trauma. So, when an iron statue of Bhima was brought to the blind Dhritarashtra, the king, the blind Dhritarashtra embraced this iron statue of Bhima. He expressed out his anger by pulverizing that iron statue into powder. That was the amount of negativity that he harbored in his heart. And Gandhari, Krishna let her deflect her negativity towards him by letting her pronounce a very bad curse that his whole dynasty would soon meet the end. In this way, Gandhari ventilated her pent-up negative emotions. So after this whole episodes of having expressed their extreme negativity, the interesting feature is that both of them, Gandhari and Dhritarashtra, have led a normal life, loving relationships around them until the end of life. So such chronic suppression of emotions that are a result of a long-standing emotional trauma due to very serious experiences can be handled by expert psychologists, expert mentors. It takes great expertise. But for day-to-day life and to face the everyday challenges of life, self-awareness is an important skill. Awareness of one's emotion can help one lead a more quality life. And the sweet truth is that you're not your thoughts, you're the thinker. I repeat, you're not your thoughts, you're the thinker. When a person can realize this essential truth, they have evolved to a higher level of thinking called metacognition. Metacognition is a higher form of thinking by which a person can detach oneself from their thought processes, see them as separate from their thoughts, and that can essentially help them in not getting into the complicated mesh of their own thought processes and thereby becoming a victim of their own thoughts. Self-awareness can help you mitigate such outbursts and lead an emotionally healthy, joyful, and cheerful life. Thank you very much.